Congratulations, Chit-chat and Pans, for getting 300 followers. We're proud of you, we'll clap for you, because we're so happy for you. Yeah. That's good, guys.
This is my favorite, or one of my favorite Nigerian soups. This is black soup, and I'm going to teach you how to cook it. You're gonna need your meats, chili pepper, beef stock powder, onion granules, palm oil, your black soup spice mix, also called Marugbo mix, and some salt. Right guys, you're gonna use your salt to coat the meats so you can wash it like this, guys. Put some water inside, of course. As you can see, you're going to massage your meats and wash it very nice. You know, you're trying to get as much of the slimy layer off the meat because you don't want that in your soup. So I've got a selection of meat. This is beef tripe. It's a big chunk of beef tripe. I have some ishan. This is beef reed, also called abodi. Beef tripe is also called shaki. Guys, ishan is beef tendon. I'm translating it for you so you know what to say to your butcher. I also have some goat meat. I think I'm washing, yeah, that's goat meat there, and it has a lot of skin. And what else do I got? Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, wash your meats. I'm gonna drain the water and add some more water. And before adding the water, I added salt. Also, wash your hands before you touch your salt because, girl, you need to have clean hands. So water's back in, and I'm gonna do the same thing as before. I'm going to wash my meats. I'm gonna scrub it with my hands. Get your hands in, don't be shy. Yeah guys, make sure you take out any little nasty bits that you don't want in your soup, because you don't want dirt in your soup. Okay, so I've washed it now. I'm gonna drain out the water, brought it back, you know, the power of editing. Now we're gonna marinate our meats whilst I go wash a pot. So starting with my chili powder. This is from Nigeria. And then my stock powder. This is beef stock powder. Just coat it. I don't use measurements, guys. Eyeball it, okay? And then next we're gonna add, okay, I'm adding some more because this is not enough. Then what else am I gonna add? I'm gonna add my onion granules. I love a good bit of onion, so you just put as much as you want. Because the bowl's quite big, I'm putting quite a lot on the top because I'm gonna massage it after. As you can see, I'm massaging it. This is ishan beef tendon. So make sure what did I just say? I make sure, whatever. Guys, I saw a little bit of water in the bowl. I said, nah, I need to go and empty that water, bring it back, and continue to massage the meats with the seasoning. And guys, I don't want water to be inside this bowl because it's gonna make it watery, and if it's watery, that means it's not marinated. It's not marinated properly, bruh. But anyways, make sure all the seasoning is connecting with the meat. Fast forwarding, and the meats are properly marinated. So I was just washing the pot in the background, and now my pot is ready, nice and clean. It's hot, and I just turned on the cooker to the lowest heat possible, guys. I put the goat meat with the skin side down so I can get all the fats to render out from the skin. And also I kind of forgot to put oil, but then so I thought that the goat was gonna stick to the pan because I don't know if it's non-stick. But anyway, I picked up the goat as soon as possible and it didn't even stick. But anyway, I didn't know that yet, so I added some palm oil to prevent the meat from sticking, and it did kind of work. It did its job, I can't lie. This is how much palm oil I had in this container, because it didn't really fully melt properly. And see, this is me trying to pick it up like, yeah, this is not gonna stick. I see how it came off so easily. See this one, it came out so easily with little to no palm oil on it. Guys, I thought it was going to stick to the pan. This thing did not stick. Fast forwarding, I'm adding some more meats to the pan, continuing to put all the goats inside first, making space, you know. I need to make space for the other meats and make sure the skin is faced down to the pan. And then I put the beef reed in, and I'm about to put the beef trap in. The beef trap is the biggest piece, guys. Look at. Whoa! I don't know how to put it this way down, but anyway. Oh yeah, I wash my hands, wash your hands, and then I added the pot lid. Guys, probably the pot lid not closing. I tried to force it in and it wasn't even closing, but we'll manage it like that. Anyway, this is the Marugbo mix. It has different types of vegetables. Make it a paste consistently, maybe like toothpaste. So I added some boiling water because I don't want to make the soup cold for nada. So yeah, add your water. Consistency. And yeah, when you feel like the paste is enough, like just stop adding the water in it. If you want to add more water, if you don't, you can add more water if you don't want it too bitter. You know, black soup is a bitter soup, so you don't want it too bitter, then add more water. But cool, I don't mind the taste, so I left it as it is. And you're now gonna add the paste inside your pot of soup. I don't know why I did not add this bit in, but basically what happened was, I can't remember. Anyway, I added some palm oil to the meat as it was boiling, guys, and the soup is ready. But I've skipped so many parts. I didn't even show you how long to cook the meat in the pot. Guys, cook the meat until it's the right consistency, until all the meats has changed. You're gonna start testing the meat. Take a bit of meat one by one, test it to see if it's as soft as you want it. Guys, cook the Marugbo mix paste for a good 30 minutes plus. But guys, follow me, subscribe, and I'll see you later.